Okay, these are the carnitas for the Chile Verde. What I did was I cut up a little bit of tenderloin, and this is a pork shoulder, and that's really good. I cut it up, I diced it, as you can see, it'll shrink. Added salt, pepper. You can add other spices to it, or seasonings. Not spices, excuse me, seasonings. You want to add some granulated onion and granulated onion and garlic and powder. Then that's fine. Granulated onion. I'm in a hurry, so I'm trying to make these. These are going to be tamales, and I'm going to be adding. I have my tomatillos boiling up here. So that's tomatillo, onion, bell pepper, garlic with a little bit of water and some salt. And I'm going to wait. I'm going to cool that down so that I can put it in a blender. Okay. So right now I have my salsa. Okay. And it's really good. My salsa has, I use a nice canned tomato. And that's important to me. But what I do is I use the same technique as making my salsa as I'm doing my Chile Verde. I'm going to put it in a jar. A friend wants some. So basically was I used, I boiled some, an onion, jalapeno peppers. I use jalapeno peppers. That's my brand. And some garlic. And oh, I don't know if I mentioned, I put bell pepper in my Chile Verde. It's a really good flavor, and just adds a nice little flavor to it, a umami flavor. It's delicious. So anyways, and then I just boil it with a little bit of water, just enough to barely cover the if you're going to use fresh tomatoes, you can put it all in there. You can grill the salsa, the veggies. I've done that. It's really good. And then I'm going to add some cilantro to that. Oh, I added some cilantro. After it's cooked, you put it in there, the can of tomatoes, and you season it with a little bit of comino. I do comino. I do pepper. I do, yeah, a little bit of pepper and some salt. Just a little bit, because it depends on how much sodium is in the salsa. So these are the salsas that I'm going to be using. This is delicious. I call it my salsa ranchera. Okay. So I'm going to show some clips on how I do some of my foods. Okay. All right.